Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. It's been a while I didn't upload any videos of Talonflame, and recently lots of you has been requesting me for the build of Talonflame. So I have decided that in this video, I will show you one of the most deadliest one-shot damage build for Aerial Ace and Brave Bird, so that you can deal one-shot damage while using these two movesets. But we all know that only dealing damage is not enough to win a match. In order to win a match, you must also know how to do the jungle, how to do the rotation, what should be your playstyle, and what are the objectives you must capitalize while playing Talonflame. But don't worry, in this video I will try to cover all this topic along with the build of Talonflame. So if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get more this type of unique content. Now without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So this is the build that I'm running on Talonflame. As you can see, in this build I'm using Razor Claw to deal additional damage after using each moves of Talonflame, and attack weight to increase the attack damage each time you score, and charging charm to deal additional damage and increase the movement speed. And this is the boost emblem that I'm running on Talonflame. But if you don't have gold emblem, you can also use this bronze boost emblem. You just have to copy the color combination as it is given here. By the way, in this match I got 18 kills with Talonflame and deal total of 92k damage, which is a decent amount of numbers. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you can identify how I did the rotation and what is my play style while playing Talonflame. I hope you enjoy my gameplay.